kami ngayon sa Ligao, mag-Harana, and may dala po kami
Cake and flowers plus balloons.
Ano po namin ngayon si Sir Marvin, siya po ang nagpaharana. And sir, ilang ano na kayo? First anniversary nila. Ay pa-surprise so ito guys, maraming. Tara, pasok na tayo kasi nag-iintay na si ma'am.
There goes my heartbeat. Losing my sleep. There goes my mind racing, 'cause you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you. Fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see. 'Cause you are the reason. Just an ordinary soul, a special girl like you, from a simple guy who's so in love with you. I may not have much to show, no diamonds that glow, no limousines to take you where you go. But if you ever find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to stay. Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Special message po for you. No words can express the love I have for you. I am so thankful having you as my baby ko, my wife, my everything. Happy first wedding anniversary, baby ko. Sabi nila parang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maituloy. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata, at ang takot kung sakali na ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaniwala ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di makasangit, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build your fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you.
para sa iya mo na.
Tama. Yung. Secret na lang. Kaya lang.
Kiss na mo na.
Hindi na lang.
Yay!
Ay, may gusto ko pala magsalamat sa ano.
Sige.
Gusto ko po mag-thank you sa mga suporta, saka sa mga gift and sponsors. Thank you. Saka click nyo yung Eharana. The best.